Strike action was averted at Caymanas Park on Tuesday as a temporary resolution has been reached between stakeholders and the local promoter of horse racing, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited. Now, both parties came to an agreement in their purse increase negotiations that had stalled. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
SVRL, in a letter to authorized representative of the Horsemen Association, Ian Passard, has agreed to a one-time incentive payment valued at $18 million. Stakeholders voted last Thursday at a meeting held at Caymanas Park to forego the nomination of horses on Tuesday until their demands for a purse increase were met. Passard at the time said the negotiations started 6 months ago when the study was done to determine the 5 basic costs to keep a horse in training.
The feed, the groom, grass and hay, bedding, and the farrier. We never included any other costs like the vet and supplements because those are variable. And we clearly demonstrated to SVRL that those costs had gone up at that time. Remember, this is June. Anywhere from a low of 20%. Some of the items increased by as much as 200%.
He added that the 25% purse increase stakeholders were asking for was amended to 10% during the negotiations.
It showed our good faith, which is what has been happening since we had the COVID outbreak, since the restart of racing. Horsemen have bent over backwards to keep racing going.
Passard further stated after that proposal was rejected, they tried another approach.
Instead of looking at a 10%, which equated to $70 million for 2022, let us take it off in smaller bites. And for the first quarter, we would be willing to accept $18 million, and we would work closely with the promoting company to establish a formula that links sales and purses, and we would get that in place for the second quarter, which is start of April 2022.
However, after deciding against granting the purse increase and instead added a performance incentive, SVRL on Monday proposed another alternative, a one-time incentive of $50,000 that will be added to every race except futurity races and races on the road to the Triple Crown, which were already enhanced. The incentive for the 1st to 6th place will take effect February 1, 2022 and extends to June 30, 2022. The promoters reiterated that they are guided by an MOU that all parties signed on to in May 2020 and that it remains in effect until July 1, 2022. President of the United Racehorse Trainers Association of Jamaica, Ryan Darby, told TVJ Sports that the purse negotiation team accepted the proposed offer in the interest of racing, and horses will be nominated for race days scheduled for Saturday, January 29 and Sunday, the 30th. A 10-race overnight program for this Saturday is out. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.